start.
So here we are going to start with the another question of working capital. So please come to question number 3, page number 63. From the following figures, prepare an estimate of working capital. Production 3000 units, selling price per unit ₹10, raw materials 60% of selling price, direct wages 1/6 of raw material, overheads twice the direct wages, material in hand 2 months requirement, production time 1 month, finished goods 3 months, credit for material 2 months, credit allowed to customer 3 months, average cash balance ₹40,000. Wages and overheads are paid in the beginning of the next month. In production, all materials are charged in initial stage and wages and overheads are accrued evenly. So this is the question. So our first step, we need to find out step number 1. We need to find out, information is given in months. So we will find out this production, monthly production. So in first line they are saying total 30,000 units in a year. So 30,000 divided by 12, it comes to 2,500 units. Please write down. Step number 1 we have done. Since the information is given in months, what we have done in step number 1, total production of the year is 30,000 units. We have divided by 12 months, so answer is 2,500 units. After this, step number 2. What we do in step number 2? We start with calculation of step number 2, calculation of expenses, or you can say the cost sheet. Rupees, particulars. The inner column is for working note, if any. Guys, always first item is raw materials. So they are saying raw material is given 60% of selling price. Selling price per unit is 10 rupees. So 60% of 10 rupees is 6 into 2,500. So it comes to how much? 15,000. So answer is 15,000. Then next one is plus direct wages or direct labor. Direct wages or direct labor. 1/6 of raw material. So raw material is 6. 1/6 means 1 rupee. So total it will come to into 2,500. So again guys, answer is 2,500. So they are saying material per unit is 6 rupees. They are saying raw material is 60% of, sorry, direct wages is 1/6 of raw material. Raw material is 6 rupees. 1/6 is, so 6 into 1/6, answer is 1 rupee into 2,500 units, so total price is 2,500 units. In audio. Then third item is overheads. So what they are saying for overheads? Twice the direct wages. So they are saying it is twice the direct wages. Direct wages is 1 rupee into 2. So it is 2 rupees. Twice is 2 times. So total comes to 2 into 2,500. So I guess answer is 5,000, right? So this is total cost. So total cost is 15,000 plus 2,500 plus 5,000. It comes to 22,500. And in that I am going to add up the profit. After adding the profit, I will get the selling price or sales. Sales is how much? Selling price they are saying 10 rupees. So 2,500 into 10. So it comes to 25,000 and the balancing figure is nothing but profit, that is 2,500. So with this we have prepared the list of expenses or cost sheet. This is step number 2. So what happens? Step number 1, I have prepared the monthly production sheet, and then after that I have prepared a cost sheet for 2,500 units. Please complete it, then we'll go further on the step number 3.